Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete Bitfinex account permanently. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bitfinex.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bitfinex if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top, as you can see, we have the sign out button. We have the traders, lenders, about more. We have the return to platform and start trading in the very middle of the screen. But now guys, let's see how, of course, you can go and delete Bitfinex account permanently. So to permanently delete your Bitfinex account, follow these steps. First of all, go and log into your Bitfinex account and navigate to your account settings. You can click on start trading and there you can go, of course, also to your account settings. Now, what you need to do is click on your profile icon in the upper right corner and select account settings and deactivate. Then go and deactivate account by scrolling down to find the option to deactivate account and of course go and click on it. Then when you clicked on it, when you click on the account option, then what you need to do guys is you will get an email confirmation. So you'll receive an email to confirm the deactivation. Click on the permanently deactivate account button in the email to finalize the process. Make sure to withdraw any remaining funds before deactivating your account. If you need further assistance, then of course you can go to the help center on Bitfinex. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything guys, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.